Hello, and welcome to Elias Woodwork. My name is Ralph Fair. I am the operations manager and president of the company, and I'd like to take you on a short factory tour. Elias Woodwork is located on the US-Canada border about 15 miles from the exact geographical center of North America. We are a premier wood component manufacturer that specializes in cabinet doors, moldings, turnings, drawer boxes, and curved components, and other items for general commercial and residential millwork companies. Out of two factories 7 miles apart, there are over 200,000 square feet of conditioned and humidity-controlled factory space, producing wood components for dealers, millworkers, and manufacturers throughout North America. Although highly automated and efficient, we are most proud of our workforce. Our highly skilled staff include engineers and people capable of designing and building our own equipment and robotics. A relatively recent German immigration initiative has yielded a core of craftsmen second to none on the planet. We are also an equal opportunity employer and employ as many women as men. Many women seem to be naturals at quality control operations, and any machine operation where attention to detail is critical.
Hard times everywhere I go. People keep crying about hard times. They coming more and more.
Why do people buy from Elias? Great customer service, attention to detail, huge product range, a can-do attitude, awesome quality control, highly competitive prices, and for some, just our environmentally responsible production techniques are enough.
Can't even see what poor people is gonna do.
Our specialty department can build virtually anything. Sometimes it may come at a price, but at other times you will be surprised how inexpensive your special project can be. A subgroup of our workforce prides itself in being able to do whatever it takes to satisfy our customers and yours. While we generally like to underpromise and overdeliver, this facet of our business loves to promise the world.
Lord, I went to the factory this morning where I had work 10 years ago.
Being environmentally friendly is very tough for smaller companies. This aspect of operations is so different in many other fields of manufacturing. There is an economy of scale that benefits the environment with a larger, well-run operation. At Elias Woodwork, we have all but eliminated waste. Everything has a home, a purpose, and a use. We haul very little to the landfill. We recycle all our stains and paints and even recapture our overspray in the finishing operation to use the product again. We distill leftover paints, stains, and lacquers to reclaim all the solvents and voluntarily report our housekeeping efforts to the National Pollution Release Inventory Board. Lest you should believe our environmental initiatives as totally noble, these improvements are as much driven by economics as a desire to be a responsible corporate citizen of the planet. In the same way that having a safe work environment for employees benefits both the employee and the bottom line of the company in reduced workers' compensation claims, striving for a zero waste and pollution goal makes the company so much more competitive.
I'd fly away from this town road, swear I would never come back. Hard times here, babe. Hard times everywhere I go. Lord, hard times here, babe. Hard times everywhere I go. Well, people keep crying about hard times. They coming more and more.
Wood is the only truly green construction material. Many laminates, thermofoils, and vinyls try hard to imitate what is naturally done in wood, in the same way that vinyl floor covering often mimics ceramic tile. Usually, the real thing is the greener, more environmentally friendly product. A product made out of North American hardwood locks in the carbon absorbed from the atmosphere over the tree's lifetime. Responsible forestry, such as outlined on the website obeymothernature.com, is an example to the planet for our sustainable existence. Interestingly enough, many times the real thing can be manufactured for a final price not much different than the imitation, which is often produced at horrendous cost to the environment.
Went to the factory this morning where I had worked 10 years ago. And the boss man told me they ain't hiring anyone. My trunk packed on my back. Lord, if I was a bluebird baby, had my trunk packed on my back. I'd fly away from this town wrong, swear I would never come back.
Customer service and top quality are today's expectation. At Elias, we never cut costs close to the customer. It starts with knowledgeable sales and service staff experienced in wood component production. You can always talk to a real person and get the quick quotation and help that you may need. This means we save money while we shape and sand the wood with automated equipment and efficient workflows, but we never rush an operation that depends on our attention to detail. Our engineering is second to none in the industry. As an example, we don't rough sand a cabinet door. Because our style material is machined to within 1/1000th of an inch, once assembled, the door needs only outside edge machining and finish sanding, allowing us the time to inspect and touch up by hand every facet of the completed door before finishing. It also greatly reduces the use of sanding media and energy, which is both environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Quality inspections are carried out at several stages of the manufacturing process, whether your order is pre-finished or raw. Finish applications are automated, but inspections and handling of finished products are not. We inspect and hand pack every piece with care.
Gonna get a good man down. Cheating woman gonna get a good man down. Running around like a silly fool end up at the bottom of a pool. Rivers deep, water is cold as ice.
Again, we do not cut costs in packaging for shipment. No matter how much work we put into the product, if it's damaged in shipping, it's all for naught. We want your experience with Elias Woodwork to be a pleasant and rewarding one. It is our sincere desire to be an integral part of your competitive edge in the marketplace.
Water is cold.